guess what arrived? The REDTIGER Car Cordless Vacuum. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. Go. So check this out. This is really cool handheld vacuum. It has to suction and blow. 1, 2, 3. So I really like this. Clean out the cars, home office, even pet mess. The kids, you know, pick up the crumbs. And it's not loud at all. So I really like it. And all you do is charge it so you can see all of the trash in there. So it's super cool, very powerful. I'm excited to use it. So take it anywhere with you. Keep your area clean. Order yours today.